So welcome back to One Pot Dish. If you watch a little bit later in the video, we're going to show you a couple of tricks. One, how to make a really nice filling bomb with what we're building here, and secondly, how to give them that little bit of extra crunch. And we used this technique to win a major piece of business when we had a food factory a few years ago. So I hope you enjoy the video, and we'll speak to you a little bit later on. Okay, now we're getting to the fun part. After you've mixed the egg, seasoned them with salt and pepper, we need to build the croquettes. Now, we find they taste much better if you're able to put basically a filling bomb right in the middle rather than mixing the filling throughout the potato. It really adds first to the taste but also to the look. So take the potato, flatten it out in the palm of your hand, and then put in about 1 tablespoon or 2 or 3 teaspoons of the filling, and then basically massage and build the potato around the filling that you've just put in. If there's not enough potato, just add a little bit more. Once you've got it covered, you slowly start to roll and build it into the shape that you want, and then you're done. Now, we used to make thousands of these a day in our factory by hand, and one of the tricks we also did to win the business for a major airline was we basically double breadcrumbed them. So You go through the process of flour, egg, breadcrumb, let them sit for just a few minutes while you continue doing something else, and then come back, dip them in the egg again, not the flour, and then back into the breadcrumbs. So dip them in the egg again, back to the breadcrumbs, and you've basically got a double layer of breadcrumbs on. And when you deep fry them and finally bite into, enjoy this croquette, it just tastes amazing. You get this extra layer on the outside, and that's what makes them special. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.